There we go.
Don't run at me!
Right? Remy, come! Stay on this side. Come on, over here.
Nova!
Hi, Nova.
I love it when she runs.
Yeah.
Ooh, pretty.
There they come. There goes Nova. In the water she goes.
Yay! Her collar's gonna be ruined.
Yeah.
And it's a coach.
Remy! There goes Nova. You better not be looking for another spot to poop either.